This Perodua MyVI comes with an option to configure how the horn and the turn signal behave during locking and unlocking of the vehicle. From the factory itself, when you unlock the car, the turn signal blinks and also the horn activates. Alright, so to change the setting, you need to enter the car and use the key with the ignition. Alright, so insert, remove. To disable only the horn, press lock, unlock, lock, unlock. And then after that, put in the key, turn to on. When you do that, you will keep an eye on the turn signal. The turn signal blink only one time. So let's go out and have a look at the condition right now. Alright, so to lock the car, okay, the horn has been disabled, only the turn signal lights up. Okay, unlock, unlock. Alright, so this is disable only the horn. To disable both the horn and the turn signal, insert the key, remove, insert, remove, press lock, unlock, lock, 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 unlock. Okay, insert the key, turn to on, and then turn back. And this time, when you do that, the turn signal blink 3 times during the configuration. So now if you see, if you lock the car, the horn doesn't work, the turn signal also not lighting. Alright, so that's how you have disabled both the horn and the turn signal when you lock and unlock the car. To return to factory setting, push in, remove, push in, remove, press lock, unlock, lock, lock, unlock. And then this time, if you notice that the hazard light blink 2 times. Now you have a look at the car. If you lock, the horn continue to sound, and then you unlock, the horn continue to sound, and the turn signal also lights up.